Hey guys, it's me Aiden and I'm here with another video, and today I'm with
Ava.
And we're doing more of our Christmas Lego Advent Calendar. Now I have missed out on a whole week, so this is gonna be the week catch-up video. And in the past I've gotten, on day 1 I got this, and it's Han Solo Sand Speeder, I believe.
And on day 1, I got...
For now, we'll just show you mine. And then there's this one. I got a minifigure.
On day 1, I got this heart. On day 2...
On day 3, I got this one.
On day 2, I got this.
And if you haven't seen that episode, be sure to go check it out. And finally, on day 4, my latest one, I got this ship.
On day 2, I got a guitar.
And now I'll just get starting on day 5.
On day 3, I got these bells.
And I got a droid.
On day 4, I got this little cool picture.
And I need
On day 5, I got this one. This one. And I got some new, and I opened some new ones too.
So it looks like I got a droid figure, and he's pretty cool. Just putting his limbs on now.
What day is it today, Aiden?
It is the 11th.
What did I get? Did I have to build and find out? I guess.
And where's the other arm? Here we go.
Ow!
There we go, got his arms on.
This is a big build.
What did you get?
I don't know yet. And it's hard. Open. Okay, I got one. Excuse me.
And
here. And I dropped another one. My pieces are dropping.
And I'm done. So he comes with, this is my droid. His head is detailed. It has a lot of red lights. And he comes with 2 guns and some extra pieces. So now I'm moving on to day 6. There we go. And it looks like I got, what did I get today? Whoop. Okay, so. Oh, I see. Do this. Get this.
It's kind of hard to put these things in. down the top bit.
This is what Ava's top part looks like.
Now we just have to build the bottom.
Not sure what mine is.
Mine either. Mine might be a candle.
I'm not sure what mine is, but this is what it looks like all done. And it has some little bricks here. It has this part at the top. And I
Comment
think,
down below if you know what it is.
so that's 2 down. We're 7. What did I get? I got another ship. Start building this. This goes at the bottom. There we go.
I don't know what mine is, but it might. What do you think this is, Aiden?
It's a candle box where they put the candle inside,
Cool.
and the outside covers it so it doesn't blow, so nobody blows it out.
I can show you some of my other builds I built this week. I have a reindeer rocking chair, a camera that you can actually see through,
But it's really small, so it's kind of hard.
yeah, a candle, and a stocking, and the one I made today. I think the one I made today is really cool because there's actual windows and the candle parts actually see through.
And all of Ava's things, as you can see, have these little dots, so they can be ornaments on your Christmas tree as well. So
The camera ones have this part. There's a hole. And this candle one has a hole right here. But Aiden's aren't ornaments.
mine are just fun little miniature versions of the ships.
This one of Aiden is a droid.
Of some sort.
Yeah.
I think it might be from the Rogue One movie, but I'm not sure.
Comment down below what movie it's from.
It may have been from Han Solo's movie. Who knows?
Here's Aiden's first build of the video. Here's a droid. And it comes with and it came with 2 guns, droid parts,
Did I do anything here?
and this little bit, I don't know what it is. And it also had this. If you know what this thing is, then comment down below. Okay, we're having a bit of trouble with it. You're almost done, Aiden?
Yep, just fixing it up. There we go. And now I'm doing it right. And it looks like I'm done. So this was my ship that I just built. And it's pretty cool. And if you want to see the rest of the boxes, if you want to see days 8, 9, 10, and 11, go and check out the next video. And we'll see you then. Bye, guys.
Bye.